Hey Spices! So in today's video we are going to be making chicken drumsticks, or some people call them chicken legs, in the air fryer. So if you want to know how to make a really simple recipe, let's go spice things up. Right here I have chicken drumsticks. I have 8 of them, or some people call them chicken legs, and my seasonings to go on it. So we're going to first start out with my avocado oil. This is the oil that I prefer, but if you do not have avocado oil, you can go ahead and add vegetable oil or canola oil or whatever you like. Add about that much. Next, we're gonna add a variety of spices. We're gonna add this campfire smoky sea salt and this keto chop house garlic powder and my favorite Italian seasoning. And a link to these seasonings will be in the description box below. I like enough where I get a lot of flavor. All right, so we're gonna just toss it. Just gonna use your hands. That is fine. Make sure all the seasonings kind of get evenly mixed all over the chicken. And this chicken was from a family pack, and I made some cheese chicken with half of it, and now I'm just making this delicious one. Right, that looks pretty good right here. Now remember, if you don't have these seasonings, you can go ahead and add whatever kind of seasonings you have on hand. Now you want to go ahead and add your chicken legs to the air fryer basket. I find this is a pretty good amount to fit into the air fryer basket where we get a nice airflow still. If you want to cook more than this, then obviously you can do it more than once. Okay, so into the air fryer it goes. And we're gonna cook it at 385 for 15 minutes. All right, let's take a look. Those are looking pretty good. Now we're just gonna turn them over. And make sure you turn all of them over. And put them back in. And we're gonna do the same thing, cook it at 385 for 15 minutes. Okay, time to take a look. Ah, look at these. They look so beautiful. And of course, if you like them a little crispier than this, you can go ahead and throw them in for another 5 minutes. But this is good, and this is how I like it. Or you can add sauce at this point and just throw it back in longer. Thank you guys so much for watching. All the links to the products will be in the description box below. And if you have any questions, go ahead and comment below as well. Bye, and see you in the next video.